Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find easy and affordable rentals in Jamaica. So keep on watching. Since doing my apartment hunting video here on YouTube, I got tons of questions about how to find affordable listings or rental listings in Jamaica overall. Now, there are many persons who are watching this channel who have never rented a house in Jamaica on their own, and there are also persons who are watching from overseas who may be interested in moving to Jamaica or working in Jamaica, and they're wondering how to sort out this rental process. Don't worry, this video is going to break it down for you. This is literally the cheat code for renting in Jamaica. Now, when renting in Jamaica, you could take two routes. You could find housing on your own, or you could go through housing options via a realtor. Now, with a realtor in Jamaica, I'm gonna be honest, the realtors usually show more luxurious apartments, more pricey apartments, and not so much affordable apartments or the apartments for everyday people here in Jamaica. That's traditionally not our way of finding housing here. Now, how do we find housing here in Jamaica then? Well, primarily, we find housing through classifieds or even through word of mouth, or persons do advertise in like community spaces, houses for rent. To me, the most successful way of finding housing and affordable rentals at that in Jamaica would be through searching on the Gleaner Classified. And now with technology, you can search for the Gleaner Classified online. You don't have to wait until Sunday morning at 6 a.m. to go grab the paper. You can check online. Sometimes it's even updated at like midnight, so you can start your search even at that time. What I would recommend doing is waiting until about 6 a.m. For some persons, this may even be late. You can start your search at 5 a.m. Alright, let's put it at 5 a.m. Start your search, Gleaner Classified online at 5 a.m., right? And then you can start making your calls at 8 a.m. Now, you guys may be wondering, what? Especially if you're from the US, like this may be very new to you. I am so serious. If you are searching for a home, especially in Kingston, to rent an apartment, house, whatever you're looking for, you need to start your search early Sunday morning, right? 5 a.m. at the crack of dawn. You need to be on there searching for possible listings, writing them down in a notebook, writing down the contact information and all the information on the housing. It is that serious. Houses go so fast with this Jamaican rental market that you really have to be on top of it. I am telling you now, you need to be up at 5 a.m. searching for a house the minute these classifieds get printed. Now, when you're searching for somewhere to rent via the classifieds, you need to be very intentional about what you're searching for. Are you looking for a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom? Are you looking for a studio? Are you willing to share? What is your budget? You need to lay out everything that you want from a house and do not compromise on that. Search through the classifieds, see the various houses that may fit your ideal, budget and desires, and only contact the landlords for those particular houses. Now, when you go through the channel of using the Jamaica Classifieds or Gleaner Classifieds, you will be in direct contact with the landlords, or sometimes the landlords have various representatives that they use to showcase the houses. They do have realtors advertising and so in the Gleaner Classifieds, but you would be seeing that information, and when you call, they would be like, "Hi, I'm a realtor, so and so and so." But for the more general affordable houses that are going to be listed in the Jamaica Classifieds, you will be speaking directly to the landlord or a representative of the landlord. As I said, it is very important that you do not go and view houses outside of your budget. Viewing houses outside of your budget may open your appetite to something way more expensive, and then when you go and look at other houses within your budget, you are going to be very disappointed, or you're not going to like them as much as the other one that may be outside of your budget. Hence, you are now in a big hole. Like, you don't want to look at the other more affordable, cheaper houses because you've already opened your appetite to those more expensive houses. So only look at the houses in your budget. That's my personal advice. Stick with the houses in your budget and only go and look at the houses that or the apartments that appeal to you. Do not go and look at a 2-bedroom if you do not need a 2-bedroom. Do not go and look at a 2-bedroom if you do not need a 2-bedroom. Now, to have the most effective and efficient day, I would suggest organizing multiple listings or multiple houses to view in that day, right? So you may call a landlord at 8 a.m. As I said, start your calls at 8 a.m. They may tell you, all right, the showing is at 10. Another may tell you the showing is at 1. Another may say the showing is at 11. Organize your showing so that you can view multiple houses that day. And guys, if you did not know, in Kingston, well, in Jamaica, most times when they list houses or apartments on the Jamaica Classified, Gleaner Classifieds, it's open for viewing that day. So you have to be prepared on that Sunday. Clear your schedule. Clear your schedule to go and view houses that morning. All right. So when these landlords and these various persons list it, most of the times they want to show the house today or within the next 2 days or so, right? So be prepared to go and do viewings that particular day. And of course, with viewing the houses, you know that you'll have to ask particular questions about the house that you are viewing. Do not leave with your questions unanswered. It is very important that you get all the details of all the listings so that you can weigh your options and make an informed decision about where you want to live. This is a rental. This is somewhere you will be signing a lease for at least like 1 year. Do not leave with questions unanswered. Do not leave in that unknown state. All right, so if you are going to view a house, you need to have your questions lined up that you need to ask the landlord. So you may ask questions like, is there water storage available, like tanks? What's included in your rent? Electricity, water, whatever. How many parking spots you get? Trust me, these are the questions you need to ask. I've already done a video about the top questions you need to ask to your landlord on my other channel, so I will link that video down below. Now, another website that you can use to find housing in Jamaica would be the Jamaica Classifieds. So the first one we discussed was the Gleaner Classifieds online, and now I'm going to talk about the Jamaica Classifieds. They too are an online platform that you can go on. Landlords and various persons list houses on there, and this website has pictures, so it is a bit more advantageous than the Gleaner Classifieds, which won't have any pictures. So the Jamaica Classified has pictures, contact details for the landlord, and so on, so you can check that out. Again, with all these, you have to use your due diligence. You have to practice safety. So you need to be responsible with your house viewing and your house hunting. Do not give out sensitive information like your TRN number, right? So be very, very careful. Also understand that you may not even be speaking to the owner of the house at the time. As I said, you may be even speaking to a representative, someone who may not even be as responsible as the landlord. So that is why also persons look into going through the use of a realtor. But as I said, in Jamaica, a realtor doesn't usually show very affordable apartments or very affordable houses for rent. If you want to see more affordable houses for rent, you have to look in the classifieds, right? Realtors usually show more luxurious apartment complexes and so on. So that is still an option if you want to go through that option. And I'll list some of the various realty companies. You could use like Coldwell Banker, KW Williams, VLA Realtors. I'll list them on the screen and I'll also list them down below. So if you want to go through that option of getting a realtor, that is also one. But for the more affordable houses, I would suggest using the Gleaner Classifieds or the Jamaica Classifieds website. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I wanted it to be a short video but very informative. I've gotten tons of questions around this topic. Literally every week since I've started this channel. So here it is. Here's the information. Use it to the best of your abilities, right? If you guys know any other more effective ways to find affordable housing in Jamaica, don't forget to share them in the comments below. Let us all help each other. We know that the house hunting process can be a tedious one in Jamaica, so help your friends out. All right, tell them in the comments down below where they can find affordable houses in Jamaica. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I can upload a video next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.